how to create a New Year memory video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we approach the end of the year, what better way to celebrate the moments that shaped our journey than by creating a heartfelt New Year memory video? In today's tutorial, we'll be using the incredible tools Wondershare Filmora to weave together a tapestry of memories that you can cherish and share. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's embark on this creative journey together. Firstly, launch Filmora and import the collection of photos and videos that encapsulate your most cherished memories from the year. Arrange them on the timeline to create a chronological narrative. To add an emotional touch, consider including background music. You can find a variety of suitable tracks on the Filmora official website. Once your visuals and audio are in place, let's explore adding some stylish transitions. Head over to the Transitions tab in Filmora, where you'll find a variety of options to smoothly connect each memory. Experiment with different transitions to find the ones that resonate with the tone of your video. Filmora's user-friendly interface makes this process a breeze, allowing you to focus on the creative aspect of storytelling. Now, let's talk about personalizing your New Year memory video. Filmora offers a range of text and title options that allow you to add captions, dates, and sentiments to your footage. Spice up your memories with heartfelt messages or humorous anecdotes. Customize the fonts, colors, and animations to match the mood of each moment. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to export. Navigate to the Export tab, select your preferred settings, and click Export. Filmora will render your video, preserving the essence of each memory in high quality. Before we wrap up, consider adding a brief intro, inviting your viewers to take a nostalgic journey with you, and encouraging them to subscribe for more content. For additional creative ideas and in-depth tutorials, visit the Filmora official website. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted New Year memory video that captures the essence of your year. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!